Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix black screen in Battlefront 2. Also, it would really be awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you fix if you're getting that black screen in Battlefront 2 here? Well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to make sure that everything is fully updated in your PC. That includes Windows and also your GPU driver. So in this case, you want to go to your Windows PC here, just type in update and open up the check for updates option. Now for Windows here, you want to go and click on the check for updates, wait for it to basically check for any updates available for your PC. And if there are any updates, make sure to install those and restart your PC. But once you've done that, next thing you want to do is you want to update your GPU. Now, in this case, GPU frequently gives out or releases updates on your PC. So in this case, you want to go ahead and go to search, and you want to either search for AMD or NVIDIA, depending on what you currently have. Now, from here, you want to open up the app or the driver for it. Now, usually in here, you should see an option that says, let's see, update or check for updates. Now, if it's been a while when you last open up your app here, it will automatically update itself, so you don't have to worry for it. But sometimes you may need to check the update page as well. But yeah, inside the app here, you want to go to left side, you want to go to drivers. And in here, what we need to do is just click on the download button here and just wait for it to update. Now, in this case, some drivers may require you to restart your PC in order for them to basically complete the update. So go ahead and do that, and once you've updated your GPU, try and see if that actually works for Battlefront 2 here. And the last thing that you could try doing here is you may want to disable some things here on Battlefront. So you want to open up Steam here or wherever you have it, but in this case you want to go and look for Battlefront here. Basically left clicking on it, you want to go to manage, or you want to go to properties, and you want to make sure that the enable the Steam overlay while in game is actually disabled for this one. Now sometimes this can actually help, so try it and see if that actually helps. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.